For now,
Well, let's get a check on your soggy forecast. Jesse Ritka has the details.
Oh, soggy, wet, dreary, gloomy. What other adjectives can you come up with? Miserable?
all good.
Man, if this low pressure, can you believe it or not, this has been the same one we've been watching since Monday. Yes, it was well off to the west, but that warm front extended all the way across our area. We haven't exactly been benefiting from the warm front, except for the fact that this has been falling as rain, not snow. At least we get a little bit of that warm air kind of overrunning that warm front, and that means most of our precip is falling as rain. Of course, if you're up in the north and west this morning, around the Plymouth, around the Fond du Lac area, you woke up with a little bit of icing. You can expect that again to wake up to tomorrow because you're still a little bit cooler. But look at these rainfall totals. This is just since Monday. Burlington, almost 7 inches there around Dodge County area, about 3 inches and another quarter. Similar story in Brookfield, Milwaukee, almost up to 3 inches. Watertown, about 2.5 inches. Similar story in Sheboygan. Racine and Kenosha, you'll get another good inch overnight tonight. Now let's time things out for you on future forecasts. Yes, that same area of low pressure slowly continues to inch off to the east. That's going to bring another round of heavier rain. You can see it pushing into portions of western Wisconsin overnight around the 11 o'clock hour. I think the worst chance for us to see the heaviest rain is going to be yet again during the morning commute. So another chance for some strong thunderstorms, some heavier downpours. And yes, it will be even cold enough in the northwest to see a little bit of ice mixing in with that as well. Could even see that with some thunder. Could be a very interesting night to be keeping our eyes on this forecast, of course. Could see up to another 3/4 of an inch of rain. Then things taper off a little bit, but could get cold enough on Friday morning to mix in a little bit of snow. Not expecting much accumulation with this. And then finally, a brief break. High pressure comes to the rescue Friday afternoon and into Saturday. We're going to be looking at some drier weather, but before that, look at this mess off to the west. 8 to 12 inches of snow expected today and into tonight and into tomorrow morning for the Twin Cities area and for western Wisconsin. Winter weather advisories off to our north, and yes, even freezing rain advisories. That's this area in blue. That does include Fond du Lac County. That starts at 7 o'clock tonight, lasts until 1 p.m. tomorrow, and even ice storm warnings for portions around the La Crosse area. So very messy, very potent, very complex storm system we're tracking. And again, heaviest of the rain overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning. Overnight lows for most of us will be above freezing, very close to that freezing mark in Fond du Lac County. That's again why you do have that freezing rain advisory. Winds very strong tonight as well as into tomorrow. Still raining with chances of thunderstorms eventually tapering off a little bit on the day on Thursday. But for the rest of your work week, keep the umbrella handy. Again, the worst of it tonight and into tomorrow morning, a 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch. So we could get an additional 1 to 1.5 inches of rain by the time we get to the weekend. And that's just the day to look forward. Thank goodness it falls on the weekend. 41 degrees for some relief from the rain. Briefly though, guys, very briefly.
All right.
Thank you, Jesse.
Well, it is time.